Well, today we are here to announce an SLISU Award winner. So today, Heather, it's all about you. And I will read a few of the lovely things people said. First, just jumping in whenever help is needed. And the example given is when the dining halls are short-staffed, just going in and getting things done. And as we all know right now, that is, it is an all-hands-on-deck situation, but you're just beloved for your can-do attitude and willingness to go out and just deal with it all the time, right? To take care of things and make things happen. Just talking about the interview process where you jumped in to get students hired, right? Again, something needed to be done and you go out and make it happen. Helping to reorganize the ordering process. Another example of stewardship, right? In terms of how do we help things become more efficient and effective. Helping the students, getting the students engaged in their, just having an amazingly positive experience, which you all do in dining, but your commitment to do that. And again, more examples of your willingness to jump in and work this fall when we had labor shortages in some of our one bowl and sushi boss were particularly.
It feels wonderful, totally surprising. They really caught me off guard. I really appreciate being recognized. I don't necessarily feel worthy. I'm kind of just doing my job, but I do appreciate that they recognize that I'm willing to help in any way.
What stands out the most about Heather is that she's just very giving. She doesn't complain about being asked to do extra. She just does it with happiness and just glad that she can help the students and staff.
There are probably a couple things that motivate me to do what I do. One would be the students. We're here for the students. I actually have 3 students here, so I kind of know a little bit of what they might want, might expect from dining. So I do appreciate that we get to interact with them and help the students in any way, as well as the parents. We do have lots of questions from parents too, and I just really appreciate being able to help out the department in any way, because I think we're here to help the students, and any way I can help the admin and other staff is going to go towards helping the students.